Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malinga Sise of Urban Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. Today I'm super excited. First of all, it is a new week and I want to wish you all a blessed new week. And then secondly, I want to invite all of you guys, kindly let us join the channel membership. You can just deposit there $1. It will create a big difference. Okay, and I want to say thank you for all those who have joined the membership. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate. And for those who have not joined, guys, kindly let us join. $1 or 50 cents is going to create a big difference, and it will make this channel grow very fast. You know, when you do that, that is when YouTube will make us to grow very fast. So guys, let us really join the channel membership. Today I want us to talk about a very serious chicken disease, which is called the infectious bronchitis. You know, this was already in my program to discuss this, but again, one of you also sent me a message yesterday requesting me to make a video on this because this infectious bronchitis is really disturbing her farm a lot, and it is killing so many of her birds. So that's why I said, wow, being a new week, let us start with the infectious bronchitis. It is a highly contagious viral disease in poultry, and it primarily affects chicken. It is caused by the infectious bronchitis virus, and it is a coronavirus, by the way, and mainly it targets the respiratory system, reproductive system, and the renal system. Then we are going to look at the symptoms, we are going to look at the transmission, we are going to look at how you can prevent it from happening in your chicken farm, and then we are going to look at the organic treatments. I have quite a number of combinations that we are going to give to these birds once your birds are affected by this, and you can also give these birds before to protect them from getting this chronic infectious bronchitis. And then we are going to actually look at how you can prepare those herbs and the quantities you're going to give to these birds, because I've realized most of you are so much interested in the quantities that you're supposed to give to the birds. Okay, now let us go straight to the symptoms of the infectious bronchitis in poultry. Now, when you come to the respiratory signs, the birds will have a lot of coughing, they will sneeze, they will have nasal discharge, the bird will be gasping, and also you will hear abnormal breathing sounds. Okay, so once you notice such signs, just know your birds are affected by the infectious bronchitis. And then there will also be a drop in egg production. This is for the birds that are already laying. You realize few hens will be laying eggs, and then eggs may have very soft shells or thin shells, and eggs will also end up having irregular shapes, just like when the birds have Newcastle disease. And then you'll notice poor quality eggs, in a way that the egg white will be very watery and the egg yolk will be very pale. And then you will also notice depression and reduced feed intake amongst your birds. Birds will become less active and they will also eat very little, and this will also affect our production. Another sign or symptom, the birds will have very watery diarrhea in cases where the kidneys are affected, because the kidneys and also the organs can also be affected. And then what are the ways that this infectious bronchitis transmit from one bird to another? First of all, it is a very highly contagious disease, and it is spread through the air, contaminated feeds, through the water, through the equipment, and direct contact with the infected birds. So always separate the affected birds from the healthy birds. Okay, put them in a separate room to avoid this transmission, and it can also spread rapidly within few days. So once your birds are affected by the infectious bronchitis, just within few days you will find the whole flock is being affected. Now, if we come to prevention and control, first of all, biosecurity measures must be observed. There must be limited movement of people and equipment between flocks. Disinfect regularly and make sure you quarantine the birds which are new. Do not allow to mix new birds with your flock, because you don't know where they've come from, and you don't know how they have been managed wherever they were. And make sure you separate the sick birds from the healthy birds. Proper ventilation will also help in reducing the spread, because at least there will be free movement of hair from in and out. So make sure the chicken house is well ventilated. And then for those who will not use the herbal remedies, kindly vaccinate the birds against this infectious bronchitis. Okay, now we are going to look at a combination of herbs that you're going to give to these birds once you see the signs that we've mentioned here. The first combination, you're going to combine garlic, ginger and honey and give to the birds. Garlic has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Ginger soothes the respiratory tract and fights infection. And then honey also soothes the throat and has antimicrobial effects. So you're going to use this combination. Now, how are we going to prepare these three and give to the birds? You're going to crush 5 cloves of garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, mix it very well in warm water and let it sit for at least few hours. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey before you give it to your chicken. You're going to give this as drinking water for at least 7 consecutive days. So for those who have many birds, you're going to add accordingly, okay? Now, another combination that you're going to use is aloe vera and turmeric. Why are we adding aloe vera and turmeric? Aloe vera boosts the immunity and reduces inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Now, how are you going to prepare these two and give to your birds? You're going to extract 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, mix with a thumb-sized turmeric in 1 liter of water, and you will give it to the birds for 7 consecutive days. You're going to blend this, okay, in 1 liter of water, give to your birds for 7 consecutive days. Another combination of herbs that you're going to give to your birds once you see those signs, you're going to give the apple cider vinegar and garlic. First of all, the apple cider vinegar clears mucus and improves on digestion. And then the garlic helps in fighting infection. Now, the preparation, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and you'll crush 3 cloves of garlic in 1 liter of water. You'll mix these two together and give to the birds at least for 7 consecutive days. Now, another combination, okay? You know, I'm giving so many options, at least for someone to find something to use within their locality, okay? Another combination that you're going to use is the eucalyptus and the mint stem therapy, okay? This will help in clearing the respiratory systems. Now, eucalyptus and the mint, they all have very strong decongestant properties. That is why we are going to use them. Now, how are you going to use these two? You're going to boil the eucalyptus leaves and the mint in the water. Place the steaming pot near the chicken house where the affected birds are, and let the birds inhale the vapor. And you're going to repeat this at least also for 7 consecutive days. Guys, once these birds get these chicken diseases, you will have to work hard to make sure your birds survive. Yesterday, I remember telling you that once your birds get sick, let us not give up and rush to sell these birds. Let us work on treating these birds. Honestly, these treatments will help your birds. Okay, so once these birds get sick, that is why we should always work hard for our birds not to get these chicken diseases. The final combination of the herbs that you're going to give to these birds once they get the infectious bronchitis is the moringa and neem tea. They all help in boosting the immunity, and they are all antibiotics. First of all, moringa is rich in vitamins and antioxidant properties. And then neem has antibacterial properties and antiviral effects on these birds. How are you going to prepare these two? You're going to boil moringa leaves and the neem leaves in water for at least 10 minutes. We are not going to boil it for so long, for at least 10 minutes. And then you will let it cool. Then later, you'll give it as drinking water to your birds for at least 7 consecutive days. So those are the herbal treatments and the combination that you're going to give these birds once they are affected by the infectious bronchitis. If you know you're not going to manage to use these herbs, kindly you will have to keep vaccinating your birds against the infectious bronchitis. But for us who have really agreed that we are going to use the herbal remedies, those are the herbal remedies and the combination that you're going to give to the birds. Okay, being a new week, we are going to have a lot of farm work to do because we are from the weekend. So we are going to go inside our chicken house and do a few things, and we shall call it a day. See you right inside the chicken house. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for loving me. And I want to at least invite everyone to join the channel membership and contribute $1 towards the growth of our channel. So please If you're still new, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. See you next time. I love you all. Bye bye.